Imagine looking into the night sky and discovering that two entire galaxies are moving toward each other. This sounds like a cosmic disaster, but galaxy collisions are actually one of the most fascinating processes in the universe. Despite their incredible size, galaxies are mostly empty space, and their immense gravity is what brings them together. As gravity pulled them closer, each galaxy begins disturbing the structure and motion of the other. During the first encounter, their stars and gas clouds are pulled into strange new shapes. Galaxies don't behave like solid objects. Instead, gravity slowly reshapes their enormous collections of stars. Some stars are thrown outward, creating enormous tidal tails that can stretch across hundreds of thousands of light years. But here is the surprising part. Individual stars almost never collide with one another. Even though billions of stars may be involved, the distances between them are so enormous that direct stellar collisions are extremely rare.
Gas and dust are different. When these clouds collide, gravity and pressure can compress them dramatically.
Compression can trigger huge bursts of star formation, creating thousands or even millions of new stars.
For a while, the merging galaxies can become spectacular factories for newborn stars.
And deep inside the centers of most large galaxies lies something even more extreme: a supermassive black hole.
As the galaxies merge, their central black holes eventually begin a slow gravitational dance. Over an immense amount of time, they lose orbital energy and spiral closer together. Eventually, the two black holes can merge into one much larger black hole, releasing powerful gravitational waves.
But the galaxies themselves are still far from finished. Their shapes continue.
Their beautiful spiral shapes may gradually disappear as the merger destroys their original structures. After hundreds of millions of years, what began as two separate galaxies can become one enormous galaxy. In many major mergers, the final result is a massive elliptical galaxy filled with stars moving along new and complicated orbits. The transformation is incredibly slow. What looks like a collision to us can take hundreds of millions of years to unfold. If you could watch the entire event from beginning to end, you would see a universe-sized dance happening in extreme slow motion.
And what about planets? Most planetary systems would probably survive the merger, although their stars could be moved onto completely different paths.
Our own solar system, for example, could someday find itself in a completely different region of the Milky Way. And this isn't just science fiction. Our Milky Way galaxy is expected to interact with the Andromeda galaxy. Over billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will gravitationally interact, creating a spectacular cosmic transformation. The process will involve repeated encounters, enormous tidal forces, bursts of star formation, and eventually a new combined galaxy. But don't imagine Earth being crushed between stars. The chances of our sun directly colliding with another star are incredibly small. A galaxy collision isn't really a cosmic crash. It is a slow gravitational transitional transformation.